In today's video, I'll show you how to connect TMetric to Todoist so you can track time on your tasks and turn it into clean reports. It takes about a minute and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find TMetric, then click it to open its page. TMetric is a feature-rich time tracker for tasks and projects, and this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign in to your TMetric account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password. It only gets permission to start timers on the tasks you choose. Once it's linked, tracking time gets seamless. A timer button shows up right on your Todoist tasks, so you start it, work, and stop it without switching apps. Everything flows into TMetric, where you get detailed reports, billable hours, and a clear view of where your effort actually went. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and accurate time tracking becomes part of how you already work. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.